Hi, friends. I am Julie Schiffman with julieschiffman.com. And if you are in a place of feeling like you are not enough, you are not good enough for any reason whatsoever, I'm here to tell you you are. But let's do some tapping to really get that ingrained for you and help you to shift out of low self-esteem, low self-confidence, and knowing that you are enough just because you are you. So when you are ready, take a big deep breath in here and release it. And one more time, take a breath in and release. Tapping on the inner eyebrow. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough because I am. I am enough because I am me. I am enough when I'm angry. I'm enough when I've made a mistake. I'm enough when I have been rejected. I'm enough when someone's angry with me. I'm enough when I feel sad. I am enough when I've been treated unfairly. I am enough just because. I was born this way. I am enough. I am enough even when I've been ghosted. I am enough even if I don't have all the answers. I am enough when I'm sick. I am enough when I'm in pain. I am enough even if I just feel like sitting and watching TV for 2 hours. I'm still enough. I am enough when I decide to sleep in for the day. I am enough when I take the day off of work. I am enough. I am enough because I said so. I am enough because I am me. I am enough even if I weigh more than I would like to. I am enough even if I've lost my job recently. I am enough when I achieve all my goals. And I'm enough even when I don't. I am enough even if someone else has told me I'm not. I am enough when I'm being ignored. I'm enough when I'm feeling challenged. I'm enough when I say no. I'm enough when I say yes. I'm enough if I didn't do so well on a test. I am enough, even if a friend has dumped me. I am enough if I'm the most popular or the least popular. I'm enough even when I feel blamed. I am enough if I feel scared or anxious. I am enough even if I'm grieving. I am enough. I am enough because I am. Because I am me. And nothing or no one can take away my enoughness. Because I get to choose how I feel about me. And my actions or others' opinions of me don't make me less or more enough. I am enough because I am. I am enough. And so it is. Tap your wrists together. Take a big deep breath in. Let it out. Really good work. See how this feels for you. Go back and do it again. You can add anything that you want with this. We talked about some ideas that you are enough no matter what. It doesn't matter what people think. It doesn't matter what you have done. You are still enough just because you are you. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up, the like button. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And I'm always grateful for the share, because who couldn't use this each and every day as you start your day? And please feel free to comment below if you have any thoughts or aha moments. I always love to hear about them. You are enough. Keep tapping.